Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Splunk Enterprise of latest version. Don't worry for that. I will be showing you step by step. At first I have to explain this, otherwise you are not going to understand anything in future. As I know you are interested in cybersecurity, then only you are proceeding through Splunk. That it is known as Soc Analyst training. And it comes under Splunk comes under Soc Analyst training, and I will be going to part by part so you can cover everything properly. Then you can see here is Splunk Enterprise. You have to install this, and then you have to install virtual machine, and then you have to install Splunk Universal Forwarder. These three, if you will be installing these three, then only the Splunk environment will be created and you can work on that. You can say that this is SOC Analyst training lab purpose. Okay, you can say that lab training is going on. This is Splunk Enterprise. I will be showing you how to install this, and then you have to create virtual machine. Okay, just install virtual machine for another PC, as you can use your another laptop also. For that, you in this the process is going like this. You have to install Splunk Universal Forwarder in another laptop, like another Windows server, and after installing in that, you have to give IP address in that of your personal laptop. Then this Windows server data logs will be receiving to personal laptop. Okay, and you can receive all the logs, all the data and collection, or every data collection of every minute you will be receiving through there. And I will be showing you at last this is the condition you will be getting. Okay, now you can see here I have installed Splunk here, and you can see here I am getting all the data of this PC. Okay, desktop 79 something is my host name. I mean my Windows server name. This is my another laptop, and you can say this is my another window or laptop, and I am getting all the data of this laptop and logs in my personal computer. And you can see here every minute, every second I am receiving my logs and data over here. You can see here. And sorry for inconvenience guys, I have to split 2 or 3 videos for this, otherwise it will be too long and lengthy and boring for you. So I can show you here in Splunk Enterprise. First go to this Google Chrome and type splunk.com and click on enter. You will be getting this type of interface. At first I want to show you that here is sign up option, as I know you will be getting too lazy for sign up, but you will be getting a problem. You will not be getting a download option, as I can show you here. Click on products and then go to Splunk Enterprise. Click on that. As you can see here, here is the Splunk Enterprise. As first use trial version only. If you are a beginner, I must recommend you that free trial version is best for you. For now purpose, after 60 days, you can install that crack version or any other version or paid version. You can use anything you like. Okay, you will be getting a crack download version or free version in my another video. I will be putting that also. Now you can see here, after clicking on download, okay, free trial, it is showing sign up this form. If you want sign up this, you will not be getting any download option. Many of the beginners, they all don't know this also, so it will be little difficult for you because you are new to this. And write your name, last name, job title, whatever you like, you just write here. It is not necessary it should be right. And email address you write here, phone number right here, company name right here, postal code of your place right here, and email and password. This is important, you have to write here properly. And then click on software download. Okay, you need software, and click on this do tick, and this create your account option will be enabled. Okay, and if it asks verify option for Gmail, then go to your mail whatever you have given here, and go to your mail and verify from there. Now you can see here I will be logging in. You have to log in, otherwise you are not going to get any download option. Wait, and I will be writing my username. I just wrote my username and password. I have just written my password. Okay, I have saved already, so I kept my password. And Splunk login. Wait, after logging in, I will be getting download option. Wait for a minute, I will show you. Guys, in another video, in part 2, I will be showing you how to install virtual machine. Okay, at first you just install Splunk Enterprise. This is 9.001. In your, if you are watching this video after some months or year, then you will be getting like 9.8 version or 10 version. Any type of new version, it does not matter a lot. You can use that. Just click and download now. Now you can see here, for Windows we are going on, don't go to Linux. Okay, go to only Windows and click on downloads. Your download Splunk has been started. Wait, it will be coming here. You can see here it is downloading. Okay, and you will be getting a file like this. Wait, a download file. Okay, wait a minute. Sorry, not this. After downloading you will be getting a setup file. Download. Yeah, right now it is downloading. Already I have also downloaded this, and click on this. Wait for a minute and open. Okay, direct open. After opening this you will be getting this type of that. I have already did a screenshot of each and every step because it will affect my laptop and my all the process which I have done already. If you double click this you will be getting this type of preparing to install, and after preparing to install you will be getting this type of page, and you have to click. You just wait for a time because next option is not enabled right now. It will take little bit time, and just click on, and this page will be appeared here. Then click on check the box of license agreement and click on next. Okay, don't click on customize option, click on direct next, and then just go to another page and write your username whatever you like AMAN5844 or anything, and write password, and again write same password here and click on next. Wait, I will show you. As I have kept Gaurav. Okay, username and password is like this, another password is like this. If password is not accepting, then write some number also, like Aman2456, Aman2180, like that. Okay, and then click on next. After that, clicking on next you will be getting this option, then click on install, and then just it will be going like this, and then it will be going like this, and you will get finish option. Just click on finish option and your Splunk will be ready, and just click on here and type Splunk. Now you can see here is Splunk Enterprise. Click on open and it will be opening on Chrome. Okay guys, otherwise you will be thinking that I have installed an app, why it is not opening in app. It is like this only. It has given us to run on localhost. You can see here my IP address is this in this, and you can see here dasaman5844, and this is my password. I will be signing in. This ID and password you will be getting while installation. Okay, you can see here. I will just cancel this. I will just introduce some simple things. You can see here searching and reporting. This is the main thing. Okay guys, just click on this. In this only you will be searching everything. Okay, just type here index. If you are new here, just type here index. Wait, it has given me already an option, index audit. Okay, just search. You will be getting something in this. After writing this, you can see here event log of this laptop. My laptop, everything is going over here. You can see here dasaman5844 is my username. You can see here all the logs I am getting of my own laptop. Okay guys, this is not another laptop, this is my own laptop. You can see here this is my laptop. Okay, now I can show you here. Here is two hosts. Okay, you will be getting only one host because you haven't connected any other host. Okay, then you will be getting this type your laptop name. I can show you on CMD command prompt with this, and just click on this, and what is my laptop name, host name, just write here, and you can see here Q29BHIL. Okay, and you can see here in all logs Q29BHIL. I think you have got lots of idea that each and every minute I am getting my all the logs whatever I am doing here, and you can just view here what is going on in this my logs, what I have did, and everything you can just do from here. Okay, And guys, thank you for watching this video. In next video I will be showing you how to install that wait a minute, virtual machine. You need a virtual machine. Okay, I will show you again this image. You can see here the process is like this. Wait, that was my on computer. Okay, it was showing my on computer. This is another desktop. You have to get logs from another PC, because in real job market you will be receiving all the PC logs in your laptop. Okay, this is another PC, like this is Suman PC and this is my Aman PC. Okay, I am getting all the data from Suman PC to Aman PC. So real work will be like that only. So you need to understand and do work like that only. So I can show you here. In next video I will be showing you how to install VMware. Okay, otherwise I was thinking that I will be starting on Oracle virtual machine. You can use that also because it is too laggy, so I don't recommend that. I have already tried that. I have wasted 1 week on virtual machine Oracle and it does not work or perform better, so I used this one, VMware. And in this VMware I will be showing you how to create new laptop, like new window, and inside that I will be installing this universal forwarder in next video. Thank you so much guys for watching my channel. I hope you like it. The SOC Analyst training part 2 will be in next video. I will be giving you a link below or in on the screen only.